Hello, traders! Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3.5 years now. And what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I also give you guys any trading ideas, especially trading opportunities like the one that you're seeing right on the screen about ETH and a few more, which everything I share live before the move even happened yesterday. You guys can watch yesterday live stream if you like, but bear in mind, I did change my trading screen background. It is white now. The reason being why it's white is because I got bored. I keep seeing it black. To be honest, I like when it's darker, but then to change things up a bit, I sometimes like to change the overall theme so it will have a fresh look. Okay, this personally, like, I don't know any other traders are like that, not, but I'm like that. So for a while, you guys will be seeing a new trading type of screen, white with black and gray candles. I feel it match. I like it. Okay, let me know what you guys think. But nevertheless, let's get right into today's session. Okay, so starting off, traders. So first updates as usual. Let's do an update for the crypto space. How about that? We keep on starting off with the forex. Let's do an update about the crypto space. First of all, congratulations to any of you guys that participated or even analyzed this trade with me yesterday, pertaining to ETH, but not only ETH. All of the three trading opportunities from the crypto side went to the TP target. So first of all, ETH, beautiful trading opportunity, more than 1 to 2. Okay, actually it went overall means 1 to 4, which is insane. Okay, I entered for Solana traders, not ETH, because ETH, if you realize, it never came inside of the zone, but nevertheless our bias was correct. Dogecoin went to take out the first TP target. There are still bullish momentum in the market. That is what I can say. So, hi sir, thought you missed your live today. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yes, I am live streaming a little bit late today. My bad. Nice screen. Thank you so much. This is my new screen for now lah. When I get bored, then I will change it again. That's how you guys can do like trading. If trading gets a little bit too intense for you, for me it's not intense. It's just boring because I keep seeing a black screen. Not trading is boring. I love the craft, but the screen is overall. It's something like your wallpaper, for example. Okay, if you put a random image, okay, like a flower or I don't know, a car, quite all the time when you're seeing it, right? When the first time you feel like, wow, this photo's so nice. But after a while, you don't start to realize, wow, this photo's so nice. It's just normal. But when you change it up, you will start to notice it a bit more. Same phone, same screen, just different photo. Essentially, that's what I'm doing, just to freshen things up a bit. Okay. So for Dogecoin, we went to take out the first TP target. So congratulations again for any traders that have entered for Dogecoin. This one is already a very beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, because the price did came inside of this level prior to making a move towards the upside. I do still see bulls in the market. Let me remove this arrow first and draw it yesterday. So these targets can potentially be taken out, but definitely I'm not focusing back on this zone. We do have a brand new zone. Let me update that for you guys right now. Okay, put this here first. Okay, so you guys can see the brand new zone. We have a new one right here. Yeah, so this is the brand new zone that I can see price has created. So remember, yesterday I highlighted this. Bulls, when they're in the market, or bears, essentially they will put in steps, right? So if they want to climb up the stairs, of course, they need to be higher and higher and higher. So you can see that happening right now. This is the essential step made by bulls. This is the secondary step made also by bulls. So what are they doing? They are climbing potentially higher and higher and higher. I'm not saying this is how high you can go. Who knows? Maybe. But as of now, this is the new zone. So we just have to wait and see if price will respect this level like this or not, to focus on buys, or will price do this. Then potentially this zone has been demolished. Bears are present in the market. Therefore, we should no longer be focusing on buys. So right now, what are we doing? Nothing. We're just waiting. Price is already inside the zone, which is beautiful, exactly what we want to see. But I would prefer to see a reaction rather than just this bearish momentum move down. Is there a chance? Definitely there's still a chance. but I would like to wait for that opportunity to arise. Moving on to Solana. Okay, so LOYY, new screen. Yes, yes, my new team. Thank you guys all for noticing. Not sure why it made me feel like watching the chat in the. Okay, yeah, I think it's compliment. It's fresh, right? I would say. I noticed today's market move quite volatile. Yes, it did, but it depends which time frame also and which market are you referring to lah. There are some that move quite beautifully today. Okay, but not everything lah. Nevertheless, also because we all understand New York session is one of the most strongest ones. London kicks in, that is a very strong session already, but not based on bigger time frames, smaller time frames. Personal opinion only, yeah. But New York actually can move price lah. Yeah, okay, that's it. All right. So continuing with this, Solana, this is a trade that I took. Okay, sorry, that's my cat. My cat is pressing so many things. Hey, baby, don't press stuff. Okay, going back here. Do you know how many times all of my watch list got missing because of my cat? I had to re-add them time and time and time again. Okay, so this one, unfortunately, I incorrectly keyed in my TP target. Okay, so I entered this trade around this level here. My TP was supposed to be this level. Okay, because why? This is a 1 to 2.75 trade. I need at least 1 to 2. Usually I focus on 1 to 2. So even a bit higher, so I still can get my 1 to 2 risk to reward. Even if I drag this a little bit, so I can still get my 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, but the problem here is what I did. Instead of putting my SL to this level, my SL was here. I was referring to a wrong liquidity. Again, liquidity is not wrong. There's no such thing as wrong liquidity. Every liquidity is liquidity. There's no wrong or right to it. But what I mean by wrong is I highlight to you guys 146.23. This is the one, right? Sorry, to make sure. 146.25, sorry, 146.25, and then this one 1.144.26. I didn't aim for this one because my entry was a little bit higher. So if I were to aim for this, it's not a 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is not my entry. My entry is roughly here. Okay, but if I were to aim around this level, see, this will be a 1 to 2, a little bit higher, but it will be 1 to 2. But instead, what happened? I aim a little bit higher, and I saw when I woke up, price was already moving towards the downside. Remember, bulls are still present in the market as of now. It only will be not present if this zone gets demolished. As of now, we are still present, we are still bullish. But I didn't like that we retake out the liquidity, and I don't want to hold the price for too long because anything can happen in the markets, especially any news that we do not know. So that's why I just took out the trade. I can show you guys. I took screenshots. Good evening, teacher. Hello, good evening. You have a trading cat? Yes, I do. Very adorable. But when I'm live streaming or anything, I can be annoying because I see she's pressing buttons again. I'm very worried because she removed my watch list. I don't know, 3 or 4 times. Oh, I don't know how she did it. I really don't know how she did it. Okay, so this is the one I took a screenshot today. So 79.21, not bad, very good. Okay, but why I say not bad is because, again, this is not because greedy, because the trade actually went to almost 200% in ROI return from how much I actually invested. I didn't really analyze the market today as I was quite occupied with my business meetings. Oh, that's nice. No worries. It's okay. The market will always be there. Quite a few opportunities. That's fine. It's okay. There's a few more today. Okay. None for crypto, unfortunately, but we can consider Dogecoin. I guess that can be one because there's a new zone populated here to focus on buying opportunities, but depend if price will respect this level or not. Okay, nevertheless, traders, again, congratulations for any of you guys that was focusing on buying opportunities like myself yesterday for Solana. BTC, we didn't highlight anything, so nothing much to share for BTC. Okay, so the forex side, let me share. Okay, so this one, not this one, I need to update first. This CAD JPY didn't play out, traders. I actually took a screenshot. I pasted it, but I couldn't find it today. I don't know, is it a glitch or maybe I didn't paste it properly? I don't know. But I drew back the zones lah. This was essentially the bullish zone. We saw bulls were actually showing respect in this level, but bulls failed to hold price, hence move all the way towards the downside. So yesterday I told you guys, if price come inside of this level and show me respect, I will be considering to enter. I didn't enter this trading opportunity. The reason being is because you know me, this is one of the, again, this is not the only way to trade. I show you quite a few examples. Even wicks can be counted. They can straight away move all the way towards the upside or downside. Okay, but I just telling you guys, for me wicks is not enough. I okay, it's again my cat. One day she'll have her own live stream lah. Huh? One day you have your own live stream, huh? I wish you guys can see. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This is just a touch inside of the zone. I prefer price to come inside and trade a little bit prior to moving away towards the upside or downside, depending where the zone is created. So what I like to see, I like to see price come inside, trade a little bit, and then prior to making a move towards the upside, that's where I will find my entries. I do not find entries just because I see one week like this. Okay, again, this is not the only way to trade. Okay, I've showed you a few examples in some of the live streams. I really cannot remember which one, but I remember we gonna show quite a few examples that even the wick alone is strong enough if truly bulls are present to move price higher. Yes, we may miss that opportunity, definitely, but bigs are enough. Okay, I just set my own criteria based on my own back testing that I found more success if I were to wait for price to trade within. For example, this is a very good example. You see price broke down and right now we are bearish. Okay, we do have zones. Let me remove this now. I just drew it back to show you guys. We are bearish as of now, and then we do have a zone that has been populated inside of the market. Okay, this is one of the zones. So again, a little bit of a stretch for price to come all the way to this level. Okay, I would be okay for price to come at least to this part here, to this level here. I'll show you. Okay, and then show me bearish momentum to focus on selling opportunities. All right, so this is essentially my new focus for CADJPY. Definitely today I won't be getting that opportunity. We can go 1 to 2.5. Okay, depending on the liquidity, of course we will take the closest one. I cannot consider this one because the candle haven't closed yet, so I will just take this one first. Okay, so we can go lower. Okay, so 1 to 2.7. Mark out targets. Okay, traders, this will also be liquidity, so just watch out for price. Okay, I'm using the H4 candle to mark out the liquidity. So in 3 hours time this candle will close. So if it close as a bullish candle, then we will have a liquidity level below here as well. So if I were to just drag it to this week, this is also a beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward. Again, this is not my entry. It is never my entry. I will enter when price come inside and show me what I would like to see, then only I'll focus on selling opportunities. But as of now, okay, this is my game plan for CADJPY and a potential opportunity for you. Moving on, not this one yet. I thought we shared. Oh yeah, we shared 2 opportunities yesterday. Oh, this is the other one. No, we shared 5. Yes, 2 for forex. CADJPY was 1. Oh, this is 1 as well. Okay, this is another one to highlight. Yesterday I told you guys, we are overall bullish. Our bears are now present in the market. Therefore, the zone may not hold. Okay. I was waiting for price to come inside of this level to potentially focus on buys. All right. But when price come inside this level right now, okay, even though we highlighted the bears were present, that's why price went down. Right now, when I reanalyze the market, things have changed and bears are currently in control. So therefore, I primarily will not be focusing on buys because I do not believe this zone can hold price any longer. So I'm essentially right now waiting for a potential retracement, okay, at least to this level, and then to focus on selling opportunities. So I will remove this zone for now. I personally do not find it convincing. That may change tomorrow, like I said, but as of now, I don't find it convincing that bulls are present in the market. So I'll show you the zone that has been populated in the market. Okay, roughly here. See, yep. Okay, this one I forgot why I draw this zone. Okay, let me update this time. Okay, so this is a bearish opportunity. Let me find liquidities. Okay, we just took out one. This is the closest one as of now. Of course, in 3 hours time, then we can figure out if this is a liquidity or not. We have this one also. All right, so this one, the liquidity is a little bit of a stretch. Okay, but we can aim for the closest one now. Again, this is not my entry. Okay, beautiful, more than 1 to 2. Okay, just nice. So I will wait for price to come back inside this level to potentially focus on selling opportunities. To be honest, I essentially thought I will only have 2 opportunities today. Thanks to you guys updating you guys, then I realized, oh, actually, you know what? There are opportunities that we can potentially focus on. Again, remember, the zone has to be respected in order to focus on sales. If it doesn't respect, don't focus on sales. Okay, last but not least, just to update you guys about silver. So the trade actually went to the TP target. We did one TP target because we are already at all-time highs. So this is a very good example. You see, after take out the first TP target, the only TP target, can you see price reversed and then we even demolished the zone after we went to take out the targets? Yeah. So this is why when we have all-time highs, if we were to continuously go with the trend without certain direction or certain targets, basically we are trading blind. We are going into the void that we do not know what is waiting there. This is a very good example. If anybody is still focusing on buys, which the market maker knows that is why they're moving price down. This doesn't mean that we will shift to bearish because overall we are very bullish. Okay, this does not mean that we will shift, but probably we are moving down by the market makers just to collect all of these SL liquidities that are resting within these ranges prior to potentially making another leg move towards the upside. But it's a good news for us. The reason being is because this move down created a lot more liquidity levels above to have new targets to focus on. But as of now, I don't see any zones available in the market. So still bullish, yes. Congratulations for anybody who have entered. Okay, beautiful 1 to 2.3 risk to reward. But for today, no opportunities for silver. So I share with you guys some opportunities for today. This one is a very good one, NZD JPY. So I essentially already see price is reacting, but again, I don't like when price poke like this. As you know, I like to see this bearish candle. It's very nice. I want to see price come inside of this level, trade a little bit prior to potentially showing me moves towards the upside. So I'm not doing anything as of now. I'm still waiting for price to show me that somewhat of a reaction towards the upside, but we are bullish. Okay, these are my targets resting above, which you guys can potentially focus on if price respects this level. If not, forget about it. USD CAD. Okay, so this one almost created. Oh no, we already created. Okay, nice. Earlier it was almost. Okay, now I need to say. I can just say selling opportunity. Okay, so this is selling opportunity because we do have a beautiful zone here and we are in a bearish momentum. We do have targets rested in this level. I just put for 1 to 3 risk to reward. That is why it's until here. If I pull until the target means it's almost 1 to 3 point, 1 to almost 1 to 3.5. But again, you know me, I go 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward. It's very happy for me already. I'm waiting essentially same thing, traders. Price to come back inside of this level. Show me bearish momentum. I just draw it for you. Okay, come inside, show me bearish momentum so I can focus on selling opportunities for USD CAD. All right, so this is the two. Actually, I thought two lah. Now I give you guys CAD JPY. This one I have to speak to you guys. So overall, we are bullish in this trend. Okay, we didn't have any zones to focus on, but bears are leaving footprints. Okay, this is a certain mini zone based on 30-minute I can find. Okay, I can see that bears are respecting this level. So essentially, I'm not entering this yet because the overall trend is really strong to be bullish. Okay, and this is just footprints of the bears, which isn't enough for me yet. I would like to see the market structure also align a little bit But definitely something for you guys to keep an eye out for Euro USD, that we are bearish as of now. So just be very aware and present now. I think that's it. I think I update everything else to you guys already. This one, nothing, right? Did I update you guys this one? Oh yeah, this one I updated already. All right, traders. So I think that will be all for today. These are the few opportunities. Actually, quite a lot now. One, two, three, four. No, one, two, three. I don't count Euro USD. One, two, three. USD JPY is right. Yeah. One, two, three, four. And then we have for Dogecoin five. So we. Oh, sorry. So we have, what is this? Okay, I changed everything. Yeah, potential buying. Okay, good. Nice. It was correct. So we have another five more opportunities that the market has given to us today. Just remember to focus on the ones that are truly relevant to us and the ones that really respect certain price action and zones. If price does not react, the market does not react, we do not react as well. Okay, all of these zones, all of the whatever price action is showing us, okay, is not for us to just enter, it's for us to understand, read price only. We only enter when the market really shows us clear signs. If bulls are present or bears are present, trust me, you won't miss it. Okay? If bulls are present, you can see it. See, bulls are present, you can see it. You might tell me, but Guna, then I will miss the move. Okay, yes, you might miss this opportunity. All right, you might miss it. But there is something within this level in price action that will help you understand if bullish momentum is coming or not. Okay, traders that understand price action can read that. If you guys want to learn how I analyze the market, you guys can consider to find out more details about my 6-week course, which I take you guys from zero knowledge in trading all the way to be able to trade the way how I trade, understand the market the way how I do, what is my trading strategy, my risk management plan, everything within 6 weeks time, which again, it took me 3.5 years to learn. You guys can do it in less than 2 months, which is insane lah, when I think about it lah. Okay, but again, if you guys are interested to find out more details about it, I have my links in the description below, my WhatsApp link, and also my Instagram handle, where you guys can send me DMs there on Instagram just to find out more details about the course. Okay, so traders, I think I'll end it here. I appreciate every single one of you that have joined the live stream. Remember, if you are trading, always wait for reaction. Don't just simply enter the market. It does not make sense to me. When nothing happens, we go and trade. It really doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so remember, protect your capital. That is everything. Without your capital, there's no point in trading. Okay, 1% can go a very big way if you really learn to appreciate and respect price. Just remember this, huh? I appreciate every single one of you once again, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Bye, guys.